What's going on guys, this is Shubh here back again with an amazing video, and in this one I will be telling you a simple trick to remove the background from the image without using Photoshop or PicsArt on any device in one click. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel and let's begin the process. To get started, open any browser, search for remove.bg and go to the site. Once the site appears, tap on upload your desired picture and just wait for the magic. After some seconds, you'll have the work done. Edit the picture if you feel and finally save it on your device. So that's it for this quick video guys. I hope you must have loved the way. Like and share if you really did, and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next cool video. Peace out.